Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I am giving you a very important lesson. The topic is the form of verb go in present tense. So let's start today's video. The form of verb go in present continuous tense. Here I am giving you the information about the form, how we can make the present continuous tense, right? So already I made another video on present indefinite tense, so I am going to request you just to go to my playlist of my videos and you can watch that video made on present indefinite tense. So this will be very helpful for you to understand this topic. So let's start. Here I have written the form subject plus be-verb plus main verb plus ing plus object. So already I made video on be-verb, right? So you need to go to my playlist and just watch the video, then it will be very helpful for you if you don't know about be-verb, right? So let's start. See, here is a table, right? First of all, here I can see number, the arrow marking indicating singular number, and here it is plural number, and here it is a person. It is below arrow marking is indicating first person, second person and third person, right? So I am going to make another video on person as well as numbers, so it will be very helpful for you. So see, first of all, first person, if I say I am going to school, in this sentence, if I see I is a subject, right? It is singular number in present tense, subject I, and am is be-verb, right? Already I have made video on that. So am is present tense, singular number, be-verb, and go is the main verb plus ing is the here going, so it is ing made it continuous, and school is object. So I made this sentence I am going to school. It is first person singular in present continuous tense. So if we see about the plural number, then instead of I have replaced with it we. So we are going to school. Here first person plural number in present in continuous tense, I can say we is the subject. Here it is subject, and are is the be-verb plus go is the main verb. Here main verb plus ing. Here it is ing to showing it continuous, and school is object. So we can say we are going to school in plural number. So please repeat it. I am going to repeat this. First person singular number in present continuous tense, I am going to school, and first person plural number in present continuous tense, it is we are going to school, right? So come to the second person. Second person, here I can see we are going to school. Here you is the subject, and are is the be-verb, and go is the main verb plus ing, and school is object. So I can say second person singular, you are going to school in present continuous tense, and second person plural in present continuous tense, we can see here you are going to school, the same sentence, right? In the singular and plural, second person is same, right? You is the subject, and are is the be-verb plus go is the main verb plus ing for continuous, and school is object. So you are going to school. And in the last, we can see here third person singular in present continuous tense, he, she, it is going to school. Here he, she, it is third person. Here it is third person and it is singular in present continuous tense, right? So is the be verb and go is main verb plus ing, main verb plus ing plus school is object. So we can say it third person singular in present continuous tense. He, she, it is going to school, right? As well as finally we can see here the plural number, third person plural number in present continuous tense. It is they are going to school. Here they is the subject and are is the be verb plus go is main verb plus ing for continuous and school is object. So we can say they are going to school. So from here we can understand how to write a present continuous tense with the form. So see, if we learn this form, right, subject verb subject be verb plus main verb plus ing plus object, then we can write any sentence in present continuous tense with any verb, right? So this is the technique and we should learn it very carefully and deeply, and then we can easily write or make any sentence in present continuous tense. It is the example of go verb. You can replace with any other verb. You can please try with do verb or eat verb, right? And there are lots of verb, read verb, right? So there are lots of verb we have. So we can replace the go verb with that main verb and we can write the same table and we can do exercise on that. So I hope you understand this, and thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.